Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìgbàgbọ́ sóhun mi rẹ̀ jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babe Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour, I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. And if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. In today's video, I want to explain how to use bitter kola to make someone to converse. Or if you believe that someone is using your glory, or you want someone to confess, maybe she or he has done something evil, something against you, and you want him to confess of whatever thing she or he has done to you that is affecting your life spiritually and physically. There's one thing we call orogbo in Yoruba language. It's also known as bitter kola in English language. I don't know how you call it in your own language, but we call it orogbo in Yoruba language. If you check my previous video, I've explained how to use bitter kola for spiritual purpose. Today, I want to share with you how you can use this bitter kola to make someone converse. If anything have hands in your matter, by the grace of Almighty God, is going to converse. This is bitter kola. This is bitter kola. I don't know how you call it in your language. If you eat this, it's very bitter in nature. You understand? So if you want to use it to make someone to converse, you want to use it to make someone to converse, and if 100%, if you know that this person, he or she has hand, she have hand in your matter, maybe the person that caused your bad dream, or the person is monitoring your life spiritually. Are you with me? Or you want someone to confess generally. This is how you are going to use it. buy this bitter kola in the market. If you want to use this bitter kola or buy this bitter kola, you need the one that is covered with this back. Have you seen it? Before you sleep in the night, keep this bitter kola under your pillow. Immediately you wake up, hold this bitter kola with your right hand. Mention that person's name. If you don't know anybody's name, you can say your prayer generally that whosoever have hand in your matter that disturbing you physically and spiritually, that person should come and confess to you. And immediately, he or she come and confess to you whatever thing that she has done or he has done to you, God will neutralize it because he or she has confessed. When you wake up, just take the bitter kola, say your intention. Bite the bitter kola with your teeth. Here. Bite it and you eat it. After that, you are going to eat it together with the back. After that, my brother, my sister, go and throw this bitter kola outside. There is a way you can throw it outside though. You are going to close your eyes. Throw it outside where you cannot be able to find it again. And if you mistakenly find it on the road, doesn't have any side effects. But instruction is to close your eyes and throw it anywhere. You can throw it in the bush. You can throw it in the river. You can throw it in the lagoon. Simple. My brother, my sister, just like you have caused that person. It's like you have caused that person, and by the grace of Almighty God, Yoruba say, kò sí n tó dùn lára orógbó kíkorò ni. He or she will never get rest of mind until he or she confess to you. And when someone confess, you know what is going to happen? God will neutralize everything that she has done or he has done to you by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. And the simple instruction is given to you. Please follow the instruction to get a good result. And you must apply your faith. Whenever you are trying any of my tip, I always advise you, apply your faith because your faith is highly needed. Are you with me? Please, if you love this video, help me to like this video. As you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. If you need more of this video, please go back to the previous video. Do it without my knowledge. You don't need to call me before you do it. But if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552. If I ask you to do something the way I explain, you better do it. Don't do it on your own. Please, Baba, this bitter kola, can I eat it with alligator pepper? If alligator pepper is included, I will tell you to eat it with alligator pepper. You understand? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Lọ́la kó bá yà kó ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n yìí ló ń ṣe mọ́ fún. ṣe tiwa ewé jẹ́ o